Today is the day to unveil the new ALCAR alloy wheels for the spring season 2019. We focused on filling gaps in our already remarkably huge wheel portfolio and created some outstanding new designs. Let's get started with the DOTS wheels first. The new DOTS Misano Dark and Misano Gray are aggressive tuning wheels with 5 wide double spokes, key design elements in today's tuning market. We made sure that the wheels are as deeply concave as possible, and our design managed to turn this briefing into a gorgeous shape. In any given size, you will not find a wheel with a more deeply dished design. Misano Dark and Misano Gray are available from 7.5 by 17 to 9.5 by 20 in 19 and 20 inches. Also in staggered fitments, essential for the tuning freaks. Available finishes are gunmetal with diamond cut face and gunmetal all over. AEZ Panama High Gloss and Panama Dark are our first SUV wheels with a focus on ECE homologation. They're very strong wheels that can be fitted to the heaviest SUVs. Still, the design is elegant and gives a light appearance. The Y-shaped spokes are the latest trend for SUVs. So the Panama is the perfect wheel for Porsche, Audi, BMW, and Range Rover. Thanks to the ECE homologation of most applications, they are automatically homologated and original bolts and car logos can be fitted. Available sizes are 7.5 by 19 to 11.5 by 21. Finishes are high gloss and gunmetal with diamond cut front.